আজি samla sobse pula khubuti aji kali soft drinks Coca-Cola production oporti factory production na hugina repacking chuli thaka social media platform sobti viral krugina ja ase aro ituduli unhealthy beverage choice ekta ase aro unhygienic condition ti bunaigina chuli thaka video dekhibo pare ase. Sources te itu video tuili kita recorded kurgena share kura ase iku details panai hulipi ja kalibra x logena update ti user khan bishi attention hoi jagina itu dunia ti saman sob adulterate hoi jaise kogena likhi thakya palu ase 20 second laga video ti tube logena ekjon bra directly use kura laga bottle ti fake mixture refill kura ase aro discarded expire hoi ja laga bottle ti repack logina reseal kuri diwa aro final result ti perfectly normal Coca-Cola bunai digina ready kuri thakya dekhibo pare ase tu inika activity ja thakya upote koi dibole mon thakya toili extra money greedy karni sob laga product ti inika adulterate kurgina repack reseal kula picheti pikai thakya product bishi thakya ase itu karni ki laga saman hulipi loa tamti hotai saigena kinibole viewers khan ke koi dia ase jui aro cylinder blast hatsa ulagina manu bishi laga jan harai thakya homoiti ajipshor UPT cylinder blast hatsa karni maki ekjon ta laga maki tinjon inika milagina jan harai jagina thakya police report dia ase report te hatsa toli ajipshor 4 baji inika tamti RT Devi 42 years amatu family karni cha breakfast bunai thakya tamti achanak cylinder blast hoi jagina charjon piece pot ti muri jaisha aro cylinder blast hoja issue ti gor bhitor ju ulai jaisha ko ase hatsa upote police khan spot punchi jaisha ulipi manu bishi jama hojaina charjon laga lash pai jaisha aro bachabole napara hojaisha koi dia ase aro hatsa upote koi dibole mon thakya toli gas cylinder ami khan domestic use batsat bunagena khai thakya blast kurubole asani na hoi hulipi ekta hoshebra na chulai shikuli asani bra manu laga jan property sob hara di thakya pai ase itu karni jani thakya property hosher bra cholabole viewers khan ke koi dia ase Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma official meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah logina kotha kurlo apcheti Union Home Minister Amit Shah to ahead of Lok Sabha election April 6 Assam State visit kurubole program kuri thakya ko ase aro Prime Minister Modi laga details toli olop din bohigena janibole koi dia ase Assam State the total of 14 parliamentary constituency thagya ase aro itubar Lok Sabha election ti tinta phase April 19 April 26 May 7 tarik inika effect kurgena rakhilo bole ase aro Union Home Minister Amit Shah to Assam State visit ti duita election rally Lakhimpur and Hojai under Kaziranga parliamentary constituency ti address kulobo kogina junai dia ase next khobar te former South Africa president Zuma Dibara Toli South Africa general election itu sal May 29 tarik health kulobole set kugina ja thakya opurti criminal record thakya karni electoral commission khanbra disqualify kudise kogina report dia ase sources te Zuma Toli 2018 ti step down kurubole refuse kura karni Nijor Party African National Congress Khanbra recall kurlogina 2021 ti 15 moina jail gridibo karni highest judicial body in South Africa Khanbra hearing inquiry grigena aija shiko ase inquiry te criminal activity to ki thakise kuli state owned enterprise is county billion of rupees loot kurdigena thakya nimiti public khan laga voice bishi ulai jaisha aro tatebra step down laga kotha ulai jaisha kogina electoral commission of South Africa khan disqualify kri dishe